In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency and exchange rate in HubSpot. If you sell in more than one country or report revenue across regions, setting up currencies correctly in HubSpot is essential. It keeps quotes, deals, and forecasts accurate and consistent and saves you from manual conversions later. I'll walk you through the exact path in HubSpot and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident making these changes. Start by opening your web browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site and log into your account. You'll need the right permissions to change account level settings, so if you don't see the options I mention, check with an admin on your team. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the full settings area. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section for account management, then choose Account Defaults. This is where HubSpot stores global preferences such as language, region, and currency. In the Account Defaults area, click Currency. You'll see your company's default currency, plus the place to manage multiple currencies if your portal has it enabled. To add a new currency, select Add Currency. This doesn't change any existing amounts. It simply makes that currency available across deals, quotes, and products. In the Currency Picker, search for and select the currency you want to add. Double-check the ISO code and symbol to avoid confusion later. For example, multiple countries can share a symbol like the $sign, so the three-letter code is the safest confirmation. Next, set the exchange rate. The field label will tell you the direction of the conversion relative to your company's default currency. Read it carefully, then enter a precise rate. It's a good idea to copy the number from your finance system or a trusted source and include enough decimal places to avoid rounding errors on larger deals. Keep in mind that exchange rates change over time, so plan to review and update these values periodically to keep your reporting accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new currency will appear in drop-downs across HubSpot, and amounts in that currency will convert back to your company currency using the rate you just entered. This won't retroactively reprice historical records, but it ensures new activity uses the correct values going forward. If you don't see the currency section, check your user permissions or subscription level. And before rolling this out broadly, let your sales and finance teams know which currencies are available and how rates are maintained. That's it. You've added a currency and set its exchange rate in HubSpot, quickly and confidently.